If you've spent a lot of time seated lately, this practice is for you. Take a deep inhale and exhale and begin to roll out your head and neck. Noticing any tension you may be holding there and gently releasing it as you breathe. Bring awareness to which direction you're moving in and move in the opposite direction. It may give you a different sensation. Rolling out our shoulders, taking them back and down. We tend to hold most of our tightness in our shoulders and our upper back. And of course, moving in the opposite direction. Hug your shoulders up towards your ears and then release them down, allowing that blood to flow. Finding a seated twist, maybe using the arm handles of your chair to guide you. And last but not least, letting it all hang loose with the forward fold. Namaste.